So, hi everyone. After the free AI agents course, Huggingface has now released a reasoning course that will help you to build out LLMs like DeepSeek-R1 reasoning models. So, in this free course, Hugging Face has discussed a number of topics, and this course gives you a certificate as well. So you will learn to create how to create DeepSeek R1 sort of reasoning LLMs, and you get a certificate as well. So let's get started. Let's see the course. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section below so you can check it out. Here you can see that Open R1 for students. Welcome to an exciting journey in the world of open source AI with reinforcement learning. So, you also mentioned what topics they would be covering. As you can see here, Open R1 is a project that aims to make LLM reasoning on complex problems. It does this by using reinforcement learning to encourage LLMs to think and reason. So it would be a little reinforcement learning heavy course where you would be learning about how reinforcement learning is used in LLMs and how reasoning is enabled using reinforcement learning. So first of all, as you can see here, they are starting off with the basic example, and then eventually they would be showing everything. Why it matters to student? It shows you how cutting edge AI is developed. It gives you a hands-on opportunity to learn, helps you understand where AI technology is heading. I think reasoning models are now a backbone and are very necessary. It opens door to future career opportunities in AI. And now these are the sections that the team is introducing. Introduction to reinforcement learning and its role in LLMs. What is RL? RL used in LLMs. What is DeepSeek R1 and key innovations of DeepSeek R1? So the first chapter introduces you to reinforcement learning and how it is getting used and what are the key advancements made in DeepSeek R1 using reinforcement learning. This next section is understanding the DeepSeek R1 paper. If you haven't already read the paper, I think it's a good chance to read it now through this particular course. Implementing GRPO and TRL. I think this is very important section, a very unique section also, because GRPO is a type of algorithm that is used in DeepSeek R1's training. It is a type of reinforcement learning algorithm, and how it is used using Transformer Reinforcement Learning Library. Practical use case to align a model. So, as mentioned, as you can read here, the prerequisites aren't major ones, just Python, basic understanding of ML, and interest in AI. So, if you are on this channel, I think you are already interested in AI. As you can see, these are the sections that you can go through. What is reinforcement learning? They're explaining everything from scratch. I think reinforcement learning would be playing a major role in LLM training, especially in the reasoning part only. So do go through it. They're explaining all the basics. As you can see here, role of RL in large language models. A pretty good course. I just went through it. I went through the content and they have covered almost everything that is required to understand how it is getting used in DeepSeek. Now the second section is around explaining the paper and the highlights of the paper basically. So they have explained the key advancements made in the paper that is using reinforcement learning. So if you remember, DeepSeek R1 paper led to a stock market crash also, and the core idea that led to the crash was using pure reinforcement learning, that is GRPO algorithm, group relative policy optimization. I've already covered the particular algorithm on the channel. You can check it out. Apart from that, the next section is implementing GRPO and TRL, practical exercise for fine tuning. They've given the codes also. Everything is there. As you can see here, other events are coming soon. So the first module is released and you will get a certificate also, as mentioned, that is for free. So don't miss this chance. You will be learning a lot about reasoning LLMs, and not just that, you get a certificate also in the state of the art generative AI domain. So don't miss this chance, and I hope you sign up to this particular course. This is not a paid promotion, so don't worry about it. Thank you so much.